Today guys, you have a Snap-on truck. Temos o caminhão da Snap-on hoje. Ó, alicates, ferramenta, alicate de corte, luzes, temos marreta, ó, uma alavanca para chama aqui para bar. A marreta aqui ela tem tipo uma areia dentro, tipo um chumbo, né? Tem essas furadeiras de lado, né? As catraquinhas são muito boas, entendeu? Temos how much is what? Zeus.
A Zeus with a 4-channel?
Yeah.
We're in the ballpark of 6-7 grand.
7 grand.
Maybe
Oh.
6 with some rebates.
All right. And this one?
With the 2-channel lab scope, you're in the ballpark, you're in the 4s.
2 canais para osciloscópico.
Yep.
How much, é?
You're in the ballpark of right around 4,400 with taxes and everything.
Ok, quase $5.000 esse, 4.000 e pouco.
They are phenomenal.
Yeah, this is very awesome. Good. Temos aqui a chave de fenda. I have a friend in Brazil, he's the one to see your truck. I told you, have a truck, is very good.
Oh.
Essa aqui, essa catraca elétrica, $1.000, 900 e pouco. Precisa aqui, ó, muito boa. Não é forte, tá, gente? Não é fraca. Muito forte.
In Brazil?
Something online. Don't have a like the truck is here.
Okay.
Like you, right? Don't have a. They have a physical store. Somebody else sell online. That's it. Hammer. Dá martelo. Essa aqui é a de ar. Linda. Não é muito forte. Tem uma que é melhor ainda. Essas aqui são essas. Entendeu? Essas aqui são muito boas. 3/8. Entendeu? E aqui é os carrinhos de ferramenta. Os kits soquete. Só isso. Minha luz que quebrou, tô trocando. Em garantia por vida certas peças. Entendeu? Muito bom. Não é muito barato, mas aqui, os kits pra você organizar tudinho de boa. E muita coisa, ferramenta. Precisar, ferramenta especial, ferramenta do dia a dia, rápida, ó, luvas, máscara. Aqui, ó, tá esse kit aqui, ó, dessa igual aquela que eu mostrei no começo. Ela tá 700 pé libra de potência. This is a deal. How much is this one? Deal.
You're coming in the ball. You're with 2 batteries and a charger. You're in the 700 range. That's with 2 batteries and a charger.
Wow. Like another, but semi-color different, right? That's it.
Right, it's just a different color. It's just the way I was able to buy it.
Tá na promoção. 700. Com 2 baterias e o carregador. Tá de graça.
See, we got orange too.
Muito top. Ah, e várias coisas que tem aqui embaixo. Tem outras marcas também que ele pega para vender. Muita coisa. Esse é o scanner de temperatura. How much this one? Isso é muito, muito bom. Muito bom. Tudo de chart. Oh, legal.
Let me show you something. Check this out. We're gonna go in here to demo. That's a condenser that's good, right?
Yeah. Tem que acontece
There's one that's clogged.
Oh my gosh.
That's a wheel bearing that's super hot. Where do they go to the other side? There's one that's perfectly normal.
Oh my gosh. Foi uma demonstração de...
That's an exhaust leak on a motorcycle. Same thing. That's a seat heater.
Isso é? Sim.
Yeah, it's a heater for a seat.
Oh, ok. Aquecimento do banco.
So you can see it right through the vinyl, right through the material.
Oh my gosh. It's very important.
So watch this. I'm gonna just put my hand there a minute, so you can zoom out. So it's a regular camera. All right. Now when I take my hand away, you can still see the thermal image of where my hand was.
Shit. My gosh. Very sensitive, right?
Oh yeah. Not only that, you can check the temperature of an LED. It's like 5,000, 4,000 degrees is that LED. You can check the...
Oh my gosh.
They are incredible.
Wow. This is for better for the misfire, for the engine. This is awesome, right?
Misfire catalytic converters, you can see if they're clogged. This sells for $18.95. I can sell it for $14.95. I can take $400 off.
14,400.
Yep. And you can also, I just took a picture of your feet. You can also pull the trigger, take a picture, and upload it right to your computer so you can send it to customers. All right. Also, so perfect example. I get into HVAC, right? Okay, like heating and air conditioning. I want to see a blend door. All right. There's a good blend door. There's a bad one. Wow. So you can see the difference right through the dash.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
It's crazy what you can do with these things.
X-ray was something.
This is a resistor for a fan motor.
Fan motor.
If it was bad, you would have half of it would be cool. Air conditioning lines. High side, cold side. High, low.
Wow. Oh my god.
You want to see a catalytic converter?
You say like the parts, the parameters fine, the parameters bad or good.
Yes.
for cats, for...
Yep. We'll get into powertrain and engine. Catalytic converter.
Alright. Isso like a parameters. And no bad image. Oh my gosh. This is quick for diagnostic, right?
Oh yeah, especially for stupid stuff like a clogged cat.
Wow.
Yep. Absolutely.
Sometimes somebody change a cat for...
Not only that, pulleys. Watch this. If you have a pulley that's bad, a bad bearing, it's going to be hotter.
As polias do...
There you go.
As polias do tensionador da correia, quando elas estão ruins, sabe que elas estão quentes. Quando elas estão frias, elas estão...
Belt tensioner.
A gente tem uns parâmetros.
If it's, like if one's higher than the others, and what you do is, when you're looking at something, so, if I want to, if I don't know what I'm looking at, there you go. See, I can back out like a regular camera.
Oh.
So if I don't know what I'm looking at, then I can decide to go back in, you know what I mean? And you can phase back into the thermal image. So watch this. I'm just going to take my hand here. I'm going to get this a little warm. All right, now we're going to look at the two of these, right?
Yeah. Oh my God, very sensitive.
See how that one's warmer than that one?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
They are badass. They're freaking expensive, but they can save you a ton of time.
Essa ferramenta. Wow. I know. My next my next toy. All right. Oh my.
How's your boots, man?
Oh, boots very good.
Comfortable?
Very comfortable. I see my legs all day, not very tired.
Yeah, I'm with you. It beats you up, man.
Oh my gosh. Aí aqui ele tá fazendo a troca das pecinhas da ferramenta. E vamos lá. Então é isso. Vai de oficina a oficina, receber por semana, entendeu? Pagar mixaria por semana, como 100, 150. Se você tiver mais, um pouco paga. Se tiver menos, também paga, né? Entendeu? Assim a gente vai.